In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to begin by launching first app that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that with Trick's navigation, use this square button. Now tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app and click on this second one. Now you need to hold your window by this blue line and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see gray area, let go. As you can see, now I can use my apps in split screen view. To go back from it, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!